ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Hakajing job ka bakong san ka special cell jong ka East Khasi Hills Police kalayo banpen paraya ka kynhun nong tu ATM kabatre ha ki jylla bapher kabala don benta ha bon tali ki jinglute ATM ha kaleng ka Meghalaya ki pulit ki lakem yan reungut ki brio Meghalaya Haryana bat Assam kini ki bala shakem ki laken thop ya Usalim Rahul John Fishel Linkoy Joyous Dura Rijwal Kodimt bat Lius Ali Katkum kijinget ho jong Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills Vivek Siem kanika kynhun ka tray da kabut ka ba tibet baha bat kila ban penlong ya ka jinglute ATM tang ha ka por kumbanyo minute la shamru bakani ka kynhun ka don benta halai tli ki jinglute ATM kinthop ya ka jinglute palat arphu pralak ha maukria lai pusan point san nyolak hasmit bat lai pusan lak ha milliam ha pedeng usnam arhajar arpusan bat arphunrio ki pulit kila penlong ya ka jingetre lang ha ki jylla bapher ban kem ya kini ki nong lute arngut ki brio lakem ha no district jong ka Haryana katba ki wepat lakem na Assam bat Shillong kajing to ket kala penparu badon ki nong yarap nasionong ki baju pet benya shwa yak ATM bakin khamsuk ban yorung shwa bakani ka kynhun kan net ban penlong ya ka jing lute
ना बतवा हमने तो कहाँ को भाई
बाजीत पर कोई फोन कर देन कल बाजीत पर कहन लगी
यरेन बाजीत पर के यरेन बाजीत पर के बहन ये पता न कहाँ के हैं कहाँ के ना है एक
ATM theft were registered in East Khasi Hills district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025, where the ATM which was located at Meghalaya was robbed, and cash 28,13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently, on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smith was looted, and cash about 35,57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Millennium, and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such
of the banks, or what is it?
No, these two people are actually they are local facilitators. They actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts, and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These two people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recce'd the place and identified the ATMs to be looted.
So far, how many has been arrested, sir?
So far, we have got 6 people.
Altogether, how many potential suspects, sir?
There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that. That special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them involved in all the 3 cases?
Yes.
Can you also tell us how you track guns and standing there? Was it a mix-up or?
See, they were planning to. What happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car, and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also is a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility.
But you could effectively manage the accused in the stolen case when you could bring them back. What went wrong in this case? You could not break properly.
Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or, at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police. So we had to take precautionary measures.
Just to know about the vehicle, was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. Was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds did the police have fired?
No.
How many rounds?
I think they fired about 17 rounds.
Sir, tadi masyarakat kiyok ban